Ikaw, Ralph, anong na-discover mo sa sarili mo?
Ako naman po, siguro po yung pinaka-important lesson po sa akin talaga sa loob is how to manage my emotions. Kasi usually dito po sa outside world, very closed off po ako. Hindi po ako nag-share ng mga things that would make me seem vulnerable, that dati akala ko would make me feel weak, would make me seem weak. Pero yun nga, thankfully, because of Will and the other housemates, mas napalabas ko pa po yung vulnerable side ko. And I was able to really deal with all those emotions by talking about it. And I feel like that's something that's very important in this day and age kasi mental health po talaga is something na ang laking problema po talaga, lalo na sa generation namin.
If I look at you from a distance, I mean, you do judo,
Opo.
tapos tough guy,
Opo.
pero may vulnerable side ka pala.
Yes po, opo. Yun po yung hindi ko napapakita usually and
I mean,
ayokong ipakita po.
some guys kasi, di ba, parang they shun away from it,
Yes.
na hindi nila pinapakita talaga. Ikaw ba, anong mas gusto mo?
Ako po, that's what I learned po talaga sa loob, na kailangan i-break siguro po yung stereotype ng toxic masculinity na yung mga lalaki hindi pwede umiyak, na mahina kung umiyak ang isang tao. But I feel like that just shows so much more strength in the person na mas na-acknowledge niya yung mga feelings niya, mas napapag-usapan and mas open siya sa mga ganong klaseng bagay. Coming out of the house now, I hope that's not taken against us when we do that also.